Hey Raj, today's episode is going to be different and honestly a bit competitive.
Ooh, competitive. I'm listening. What are we doing?
It's lesson 25, the English speaking challenge. I've got 4 rounds for us, and you have to complete each one live, right now. No preparation.
No preparation? Anjali, that's terrifying.
That's the whole point. Real conversations don't come with preparation either. And friends watching, play along with us. Pause the video and try each round yourself before you hear our answers.
Okay, fine. I accept the challenge. What's round one?
Round 1. Speak for 60 seconds on a random topic without stopping and without saying even once.
Oh no. Is basically my favorite word.
I know. That's exactly why this is a challenge. Okay, your topic is my favorite season of the year. Ready? Go.
My favorite season is definitely winter. I love how the weather becomes cool and comfortable, and you can finally wear nice sweaters and jackets. Winter mornings feel so peaceful, especially with a hot cup of tea. Also, most festivals happen around this time, so there's always something to celebrate. Honestly, I just feel more energetic in winter compared to the harsh summer heat, which makes me feel tired all the time.
Time. And Raj, 0 ums. You did it.
Really? I was so scared I'd slip up.
Nope, completely clean. See, when you're focused on the topic itself, the filler words naturally reduce.
That's actually a great trick, focusing on content instead of worrying about mistakes.
Exactly. Okay, my turn now. Give me a topic, Raj.
Okay, why cats are better than dogs?
Oh, controversial. Okay, ready? Go.
Go.
Honestly, I think cats are better because they're so independent. You don't need to walk them every single day, and they take care of themselves for the most part. They're also incredibly clean animals, always grooming themselves. Plus, there's something so calming about a cat sitting quietly next to you while you work. Dogs are lovely too, don't get me wrong, but cats fit perfectly into a busy lifestyle.
Time. And also zero ums from you, of course.
Well, I had to set a good example. Okay, round 2 now. This one's harder. I'll give you 3 random words, and you have to use all 3 in one short story. Immediately. No thinking time.
Oh no, this sounds scary. Okay, give me the words.
Your words are umbrella, surprise, and Monday.
Okay. Last Monday, it started raining suddenly while I was walking to work, and I didn't have an umbrella. It was such an unpleasant surprise because the weather forecast said it would be sunny all day.
That was excellent, Raj. Smooth story, and you used all 3 words naturally.
Honestly, that felt like a fun puzzle more than a test.
That's the idea. Okay, my turn. Give me 3 words.
Your words are guitar, mountain, and coffee.
Okay. During our trip to the mountains last year, we found this tiny cafe that served the best coffee I've ever had. A man was playing guitar in the corner, and honestly, it was one of the most peaceful mornings of my life.
Wow, that was really good. You even added emotion to it.
Thank you. Okay, round 3. This one is a real challenge for us Indians specifically. Speak for 1 full minute without using a single Hindi word. No matlab, no basically. No switching languages at all.
Oh no, this is going to be so hard. I switch between Hindi and English without even realizing it.
Most people do. That's exactly why this round is important. Okay, your topic? Describe your typical weekend.
On weekends, I usually wake up a bit later than usual. I like to relax in the morning, maybe watch something on my phone. In the afternoon, I often meet a few friends and we grab lunch somewhere nearby. Evenings are usually calm. I just stay home, listen to music, and prepare for the upcoming week.
Raj, that was completely clean. No Hindi words at all.
Really? Honestly, I had to concentrate so much harder than usual.
That extra concentration is exactly the training your brain needs. The more you practice this, the more automatic it becomes.
Okay, your turn now. Same challenge 1 minute, no Hindi words. Your topic describe your ideal vacation.
My ideal vacation would definitely be somewhere near the beach. I'd want a quiet place, away from crowds, where I could just relax, read a book, and enjoy the sound of the waves. I'm not someone who likes a packed schedule while traveling. I prefer slow mornings and long, peaceful evenings.
Also, completely clean. You make it look so easy.
Years of practice, honestly. Okay, final round. Round 4. And this one's just for fun. A quick tongue twister challenge to test pronunciation.
Oh no, I'm already bad at these in Hindi. This is going to be a disaster in English.
That's exactly why it's fun. Okay, repeat after me as fast as you can. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the sea shore. Wait, let me try again. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Better. Okay, one more. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Say it 3 times fast.
Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lolly. Wait, that's wrong.
Yellow lolly. Raj, that's amazing. Keep going.
I give up. This one's impossible.
That's completely fine. Even native speakers struggle with tongue twisters. They're meant to be tricky. That's what makes them a fun pronunciation exercise.
Okay, that was honestly the most fun challenge today, even though I failed it completely.
Failing a tongue twister is basically a tradition. Don't worry. Okay, Raj, let's recap today's challenge. Round 1. Speaking without Round 2. Using random words in an instant story. Round 3. Speaking without switching to Hindi. And round 4. Tongue twisters for pronunciation.
Honestly, out of all four, the no Hindi words round was the hardest for me, mentally.
That's very common. And that's exactly why it's such valuable practice. So friends, we want you to try this challenge yourself. Pick any one round, film yourself attempting it, and comment how it went.
Or better yet, try all four rounds and tell us which one was hardest for you.
We'll read through the comments and might even feature some of your attempts in a future video.
If you enjoyed this challenge format, let us know. Because honestly, I had so much fun with this one, even the parts I failed.
If this lesson entertained you and helped your speaking, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share this challenge with a friend who needs some English practice.
See you all in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone!
Bye. And Anjali, I demand a rematch on that tongue twister.
Anytime, Raj. Bye, everyone!